Today I want to tell you about a phenomenal listing. We're at 451 North Shore Road here in Longboat Key. And we have, you can see, great landscaping. We've got you protected with brand new tile roof, hurricane doors, hurricane windows. We've got everything covered on the outside, but let's go on in. This home is sparkling new. It is, everything has been remodeled. So you can see professionally decorated. We have porcelain wood plank tile floors, but wait till you see the kitchen. Okay, quartz countertops. Look at this beautiful sink, faucets, everything is top of the line. Solid wood shaker cabinets, plantation shutters, appliances. Let me show you something that you won't even know. Full-size stacked laundry. This is a wonderful family home. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and they all feature king-size beds. And look at this lovely setting and water view. My friends, it doesn't get much better than this, but there's still even more. And when I said this is a family home, again, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, but you can also entertain great parties, let's check out the rec room. Now, are you ready to go to the beach? I got my bag, I gotta get my beach clothes on. Now I'm ready. Hey, we got the sunglasses, we got the beach towels, we've got sun spray, sunscreen. Where are my keys? Oh, we don't need keys. It's just a short stroll. Let's go on down to the beach. Come on, guys, let's have some fun. As you can see, this is your own oasis. It's like a private beach, Longboat Beach. Just a stroll from the house, 451 North Shore Drive. The home is brand new, inside and out, totally remodeled, sparkling clean, ready for you. Whether it's your family beach getaway home or a private rental, give us a call, 451 North Shore Drive.